Have you ever wanted to capture your surroundings in a painting but had no idea where to start? What to include or exclude? What colors to use? In this class, you will learn everything you need to know about painting outdoors, from the supplies you need to deciding your composition and painting in a limited time frame.
Hi, I'm Khadija, an artist, entrepreneur, and digital marketer from India. Most of my paintings are either places I've been to or places I long to go to. For me, plein air brings two of my greatest loves together, the outdoors and art.
But painting outdoors comes with a few challenges. We are limited in the supplies we can carry. Since we are painting live, we are limited in time, and we are constantly overwhelmed with the immensity of the outdoors. This class will give you a plan on how to tackle painting a landscape outside. I'll walk you through the material you'll use and how to make the most of them, what colors to select that are closest to nature, how to create your own composition using a thumbnail approach, understanding the various elements of a landscape like trees, foliage, sky, and hills, and breaking them down into background, middle ground, and foreground. As a bonus, I shall also teach you how to take a picture of your painting. What you will take away from this class is the confidence and ability to take something immense and break it down into manageable steps that can be executed in a limited time frame. Since most landscapes are made of the same basic elements, you can take this process and apply it to any landscape you paint.
I would love you to find your own place. It could be your backyard or a walk in the park. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just a place that you can be still, soak yourself in the present, and enjoy your own art.
After this class, you will feel motivated to pack your paints, go outside, and start sketching.
So come, let's get started.